Hello there, I'm Olivia from Channel 5's Milkshake, and I'm here to tell you that it's time for your Letters and Sounds Phonic lesson.
Hello children, my name's Josh. Can you remember what a phoneme is? Yes, that's right, it's a sound. And now can you remember what a grapheme is? Fantastic, that's right, a grapheme is a sound that's written down. Can you remember what a diagraph is? Yes, two letters that make one sound. Great remembering. Let's read some phonemes that you know. I'll show you the graphemes on the cards and I want you to read them aloud. The first flashcard says A. OK, now I want you to read the rest of the flashcards as I show you them. Are you ready? Fantastic! Shall we check that you got them right? Read them aloud with me. A. Ear. Air. Your. Oo or A. A. E. I. OK, now I'm going to mix the cards up. It's a challenge because they're going to be in a different order, but I'm sure that you can read them. I want you to read the graphemes on the card out loud. Are you ready? Fantastic! OK, let's check you got them right. Read them aloud with me. A. E. I. A. Ear. Air. Your. Oo or A. Well done! Super sounds! OK, let's read some words with graphemes that we already know. Here's my first word. Can you spot the diagraph? Where could it be? Yes, that's right. The diagraph is here at the end of the word. The diagraph is A. OK, now I want you to read each sound as I point. Fantastic! Now do you think that you can blend the sounds and read the word? Brilliant! Let's do it together. A. Spray. Water can spray and get us soaking wet. I've got another word for you. This time my word is... Can you spot the diagraph in this word, children? Brilliant! The diagraph's here. It's at the end again. The diagraph is A. OK, I want you to read each sound as I point. Now, let's blend the sounds and read the word. Brilliant. Now I'll do it with you. A. May. We could use the word may when we ask a question. May I have some cake, please? I have another word for you now. Here's my word. Can you spot the diagraph in this word? Think carefully. Where could the diagraph be? Oh, brilliant. You've got it. Yes. The diagraph is a split vowel diagraph. And the diagraph is A. It's a diagraph, but the letters aren't next to each other. Read each sound as I point. And now blend them and read the word. Let's do it together. Made. I made a fantastic model. Here is the word same. Can you spot the diagraph? Yes, the split vowel diagraph is A. Read each sound as I point. Now blend and read the word. Same. If something is exactly alike, it is the same. I've got another word for you now. Can you spot the diagraph in this word? Yes, it's in the centre. The diagraph is Read each sound as I point. And have another go. Now blend the sounds and read the word. You're getting really good at this. That's right, the word is cook. Let's do it together. Cook. I like to cook a delicious meal. I have one more word for you now, children. Here it is. In this word, there's a trigraph. Can you spot the trigraph? Where could it be? Oh yes, here it is. The trigraph is I. Read each sound as I point. Let's do it again. Brilliant. Now I want you to blend each sound to read this word. Fantastic. Okay, let's do it together. I. High. The balloon floated up high. Great reading. Now I'm going to mix the words up. I'm going to shuffle these words in a different order. Do you think you can read them without any help at all? Are you sure? Okay then, here we go. I want you to read them out loud. Fantastic. And now let's check. Read them with me. Spray. Made. High. May. Cook. Same. Fantastic reading, children. Okay, today we are learning to read a new way of writing this sound. Do you already know this sound? What do you think it could be? Yes, that's right. This is the sound E. It's a diagraph. I'll say the sound and I want you to copy me. E. 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 One more time. E. Fantastic. Okay, let's sound talk some words with the phoneme E. Copy me. Say the sounds and then see if you can blend the sounds to say the word. B, E, D. Have another go. B, E, D. B, E, D. Bead. The word is bead. You can have beads on a necklace or beads in a game. Let's try another word. Copy me. Say the sounds and then blend the sounds to say the word. S, E. S, E. S, E. Sea. The word is sea. It's fun to splash in the waves when you go to the sea on holiday. Okay, let's sound talk our final word. Copy me again, say the sounds, and then blend them together to say the word. E, P. E, P. E, P. Heap. The word is heap. A pile of things is a heap. I'd love a heap of books to read. So we know the sound E is written like this. Two letters making one sound is called a... What's it called? That's right, it's called a diagraph. This diagraph makes the sound E. But guess what, children? There's another way to write the sound E. And it looks like this. So let's read the new grapheme for the sound E. Can you say the sound E each time I show you the diagraph E, spelt with the letters E-A? Remember, it makes the E sound. Are you ready? Oh, fantastic. That was excellent. Now, do you think you can read some words with our new grapheme for the sound E? Here's my first word. I want you to sound talk each grapheme and then blend the sounds to read the word aloud. I'll point to the graphemes and then I'll sweep beneath so that you can blend the sounds together. Here we go. Let's read the word together. B-E-D. Bead. Did you get it right? Fantastic, well done. Here's my second word. Once again, I want you to read each grapheme and then blend the word to read aloud. I'll point to them to help you. Okay, let's read it together. S-E-C. Did you get it right? The word is see. Fantastic, well done. I have another word for you now. Here's my word. I'll point to each grapheme and then I'll sweep beneath to help you. Here we go. Let's read the word together. R-E-D. Read. I love to read comics and I also love to read books. Here's another word for you. Do you think you can sound talk each grapheme again and then blend them together to read the word? I'll point to the graphemes to help you. Here we go. Let's read the word together. Heap. Heap. The word is heap. Fantastic. Here's another word for you to try. Sound talk each grapheme again and then blend the sounds together to read the word. Here we go again. Okay, I'll help you. T-r-e-t. Treat. The children went to the shops to get a treat. Here we go. Here's my final word for you to sound talk. Once again, look at each grapheme carefully and then blend them together to read the word. All right, let's read the word together. Least. Least. Least means the smallest amount. Can you read these words now without any help? I'll show you the cards and I want you to read them aloud. Are you ready? Fantastic. Let's check and read them together. Treat. Heap. Bead. See. Read. Least. Now I'm going to mix the words up. I like to do this to challenge you. Do you think you can read the words on the cards without any help? Oh, I'm sure you can. I want you to read them aloud. Here we go. Okay, let's check. Read them with me one more time. See. Read. Least. Treat. Heap. Bead. Wow, fantastic! You're doing such a great job today, children. Let's learn to read tricky words. We are going to learn to read the tricky word people. Well, the first bit is easy, but the second bit is tricky. It says E, and then I can read the rest, P, and these letters say U. When I read it, I say P, E, P, U. Now read the word with me. P, E, P, U. People. Awesome. Now read it yourself. What's the word? Say it again. Yes, the word is people. People. Now let's practice reading a tricky word that you have met before. Can you remember the tricky bit? Yes, the tricky bit is Can you read the word? Let's read it together. Some. Let's practice reading another tricky word. Can you remember the tricky bit in this word? Yes, the tricky bit is here. Can you read this word? Let's read it together. Come. Okay, children, let's read some sentences with our new grapheme in it. Here's my first sentence. Have a look at it and see if you can spot any words that have our new grapheme E. Have a look. Yes, that's right. The words read and treats have the grapheme E. Can you see any other words that have digraphs in them? Yes, that's right. Cook has a digraph. Fantastic work. Okay, now I want you to see if you can spot any tricky words. Are there any tricky words in this sentence? Yes, well done. Have is a tricky word. Okay, now I want you to read aloud as I point to the words. Are you ready? Excellent reading. Now let's read it together. Let us read, cook, and have treats. What treat would you have? And what would you like to read? Okay, I've got another sentence for you now. Here it is. Do you think you can spot any words in this sentence that have our new grapheme E? Look closely. Fantastic. The words heap and beads have our new grapheme. Can you see any words in this sentence that have trigraphs? Remember, a trigraph is where 3 letters make one sound. Yes, that's it. The word high has a trigraph. Okay, now can you see the tricky word that we learnt to read today? It's in there somewhere. Well done. People is our tricky word from today. Okay, now I'm going to point to the words and I want you to read the sentence aloud as I do so. Are you ready? Brilliant reading. Let's do it together. Some people heap beads up high. Fantastic reading, children. A heap of beads might be very colourful. Wow, you've read so well today. Let's finish by spelling some words. Because if you can read a word, then you can have a go at spelling it. So, I want you to get some paper and something that you can write with. Let's spell 2 words with the grapheme E. Let's spell read. Segment the sounds with me. Read. E, D. Let's count how many sounds there are. read. R-E-D. There are 3 sounds. Watch me write the word read. R. E. D. Read. I'm going to hide the word. And I want you to have a go at spelling it. The word is read. R-E-D. Write it down. And don't forget the new diagraph, E. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Let's spell another word. Let's spell treat. Segment the sounds with me. Treat. T-R-E-T. Let's count how many sounds there are. Treat. T-R-E-T. Wow, that's 4 sounds. Watch me write treat. T. R. E. Treat. The word is treat. Now I'm going to hide the word and I want you to have a go. Treat. T-R-E-T. Write them down. And don't forget the new diagraph, E. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Wow! Let's learn to spell a tricky word. We can read the word people, so now let's spell it. Segment the sounds with me. People. P-E-P-L. Let's count how many sounds there are. P-E-P-L. That's 4 sounds. Watch me write people. Well, the first bit is easy. P. But the second bit is tricky. The E and the O say E. And then it's P. And the L and the E say L. People. Now I want you to have a go. I'm going to hide the word. Do you think you can spell people? P-E-P-L. Write the sounds down. Remember the tricky bit. The letters E and O say E. And the letters L and E on the end say L. Write them down. Let's check our spelling. Did you get it right? Now, let's practice spelling a tricky word that you've met before. Some. Segment the sounds with me. Some. S, Let's count how many sounds there are. S, That's 3 sounds. Watch me write some. S. Can you remember the tricky bit? These 2 letters say and the end is easy. So the letters O and E say but we write it like this. S, Some. Now I'm going to hide the word. And I want you to have a go. The word is some. S, Remember the tricky bit. The letters O and E say Write it down. Let's check our spelling. Some. Did you get it right? Fantastic. Well done, children. You've worked really hard practicing reading and spelling. See you soon for another lesson with letters and sounds.
Well, there we go, everyone. Hope you enjoyed your letters and sounds lesson. You've worked really hard and we're so proud of you. Why don't you celebrate by sharing a lovely book together with someone at home?